Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SDRL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis on Wednesday. Remember, the markets were closed yesterday for Thanksgiving, but want to get things updated here as we head into the weekend. And, what do I think about the chart? Well, it's really all a matter of perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within, 2 minutes, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough because today, sure, the price did definitely pull back. But if you care about the big picture of things, the overall perspective, then the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, put in that higher low, and therefore the, again, big picture uptrend, the overall uptrend can still remain in the bulls' favor, and therefore from a, the overall grand scheme of things perspective, the bulls are still in control. Again, I realize that can sound kind of contradictory. How can you say the bulls are in control when the price just pulled back and back and back? Well, that's just looking at one little slice of the puzzle. When you look at multiple slices, multiple pieces of the puzzle, you can see that, the bulls are still well in an uptrend. And the easiest way to watch the uptrend, as I talked about in Wednesday's video, is just to continue to watch that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see multiple times the price has, pulled back to that level. And, over the past few weeks, the bulls have done a fantastic job of holding above it. So as long as the price is above that purple line, then as I've said in past videos, the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. But that's essentially what that purple line is representing. Even if the price were to drop below there, sure, that would make the chart less attractive. But even at that point, it's not like the entire chart would be ruined. But yeah, preferably speaking, as long as, like I said, that the price stays above that purple line, then that's exactly what you want to see. Overall levels of resistance, the key one is up there at 295, but in a shorter term sense, meaning the price does bounce, where some other potential, areas of resistance at the initial area right there at 270. So yeah, 295 is a level of resistance, but before you start talking about, that one or doing battle with it, first got to get back above and cross the original or that initial bridge, which I would call there at about $2.70. So all in all, though, good solid week. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows, that's the name of the game from the big picture perspective. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.